from the strong group would like to discuss a little about child issue. What we will discuss here are children's problems regarding early marriage, child poaching, and child trafficking, which are rife among children today. Before we continue with the discussed materials, let me introduce myself. My name is Indri Aprilia Mawardi.
My name is Rastuti.
Hello, my name is Farrozi Melvananda. You can call me Rosie. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Rin Aropa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hoiril Anwar. Have will present material about trafficking. Enjoy watching. Number 1. Definition of trafficking. Human trafficking is the recruitment, transportation, transfer, harboring of receipt of personnel by force, deception of fault, with the aim of exploiting them for profit. Men, women, and children of all ages and from the background called fall victim the day's crime, which occur in every region of the world. Trafficker often ask violence of like employment agency and false promise of education and job opportunities to trick and coerce their victim. Number 2. Human trafficking regulation in international law. The crime of human trafficking has been strict regulation in law concerning education of the crime of human traffic. The law, according to the law which in the contained in article, and explain that action fulfill the element of human trafficking, defines that this action of include in the criminal act of human trafficking. The definition of the criminal act of trafficking in human of people is contained in Article 2 paragraph in the law which states that is a criminal act of human trafficking if it involves recruiting, harboring, moving, seeding of the receiving someone by make trade of the violence of even confining. Kidnapping, cheating, falsing of the above possession of power, trapping someone in the debt and then taking of tax of it, which the aim of exploiting. This article also explain the punishment imposed on perpetrators of who are proven to have committed the crime of human trafficking, namely which a maximum penalty of your prison and minimum 3 years in prison. To eradicate of or prevent this human crime for continue to occur, an international agreement must be sought. National agreement with international agreement, legal system and legal relation between of country and other countries which also and other into agreement so that they have legal unity in really. A country independent is sometimes also due to direct or indirect assessment from other country. For example, the net of recognition from other countries. In fact, international agreement are a species of the genus which takes of the form of agreement include the principle contained in international agreement which become a basis.
Hello everyone. I would like to talk about a very important and serious topic today. Child trafficking. Child trafficking is horrible and human practice that affect millions of children around the world. In this presentation, we will look at what child trafficking is, why it happen, and what we can do fight it. Let's let's start by defining what child trafficking is. Child trafficking refers to the act of buying, selling, or trafficking children under the age of 18 for sexual exploitation, forced labor, or use in criminal activities. According to the International Labor Organization (ILO), it is estimated that there are more than 5.5 million child victims of the child trafficking worldwide. What causes child trafficking? There are several factors that contribute to this problem. Poverty is one of the main factors. Poor families are often trapped in a cycle to poverty that is difficult to break out of. Adult children become easy target for traffickers. In addition, armed conflict, natural disasters, and political instability can also lead to an increase in child trafficking. The impact of child trafficking is the defending for the victim, traffic children experience physical, sexual, and psychological abuse. Uh, they lost their basic right, such as the right to education and protection. In the long run, they may experience mental disorders, trauma, and difficulties in adapting to society. Out of out, out of jail, out of children trafficking is a complex issue. There are many efforts being made to fight it. Government and non-governmental organizations work together to raise awareness about child trafficking, tighten laws, and provide protection to victims. In addition, education is key preventing child trafficking. By providing all children with access to quality education, we can reduce the risk of them become victim of trafficking. What 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 can we do as individuals? First, We can raise awareness about child trafficking by sharing information and stories through social media and family. Secondly, we can support organization the work to protect children and provide assistance to victim of trafficking. Lastly, we can act as whistleblowers if we know or suspect case of child trafficking around us. Conclusion: in this short presentation, we have seen how important the issue of child trafficking is, and how damaging it can be for victims. By raising awareness, working together, and taking action, we can contribute to fight against child trafficking. Let us together safeguard the future of children and give them the protection they need. We all have an important role to play in fight against child trafficking. With education, awareness, and action, we can make a real difference in life in affect children. Thanks for listening. Together, we make the world safer and better place for our children.
Sorry, the sound is not clear because it is raining outside. Child issue marriage. Case of else marriage often occurs in Persian parts of the world with Persian backgrounds. Has become a concern from the international communities considering the rise by forced marriage, sexual intercourse at an age, pregnancy at a young age, and infection with sexual transmitted disease. Poverty is not the only important factor that play a role in the earth's marriage. Another thing that needs to be considered is the rise of complications that occur during pregnancy and childbirth at a young age. Thrive contributing to increase maternal and infant mortality rates. In addition, marriage at a else age can also be cause personality development disorders and infant children at risk of feeling neglect and neglection. The problem with else marriage is failure to protect children's rights. Therefore, it is helpful all parties, including federation, can insert awareness regarding the facts of marriage. Marriage has in the decades significant in first parts of the country in the last 30 years, but in reality it still occurs a lot in developing countries, especially in remote areas. Getting married at least 10, 18 years of age is a reality faced by some children throughout the world, especially in developing countries. Problems in marriage. Some of the problems in child marriage include factors that accounts the prevalence of child marriage, its impact on education, the occurrence of domestic violence, the impact of reproductive health, children being born, and children's physiological health, as well as legal review relates to child's marriage.
Factor driving the rise of children married in many parts of the world. Children married is a social and economic problem, complicated by early marriage and is problem of tradition and cultural in community. Social stigma regarding marriage after puberty, which is considered a discretion in certain circle. Also increases the incidence of children married. Economic motive, the experience of activity, social and financial security after marriage. Cause many parents to agree to early marriage. The reason parents agree to children married is often beside of fear of pregnancy out of wedlock due to promise or the stranger family ties. In general, children married is more common among poor family, although it also occurs among upper income family. In many countries, children married is often linked to poverty. Countries with child marriage cases generally have low gross domestic product. Child married make family, community, and even country have difficulty escape poverty, and these cartanic cause low quality health and welfare for both children and their family and environment. Child married and education degree, the younger the married age, the lower the level of education active by the child. Child married often cause children to not longer go to school because now they have no responsibilities, namely as wife and mother-to-be, or head of family and father-to-be, who are expected to play a more role in taking care of the household, as well as being the backbone of the family and having to earn a living. Another factor is due to the unaffordable cost of education. Children quit school and are married to shift the burden of parental responsibility to support the children to the response. From forest studies, it was found there is a correlation between the level of education at the marriage. The higher the age of children of married, the higher the children education the fares. Early marriage, according to a 2006 UNICEF study, appears to be associated with lower education. Delay the age of marriage is one way for children to receive higher education. General inequality is a consequence of children married. The bride has limited capacity to voice opinion, negotiation, sexual desires, ask contraception, and conceive children. Similarly, with other domestic aspects, partner domestic often make children vulnerable to domestic violence. Domestic violence is higher in India, especially among women as young as 18. Women who marry at a younger age often experience violence. Children who face domestic violence do not the reasons. As a result, they do not get a sense of security, both social and financial. In addition, marriage with a spouse far apart increases the risk of the family becomes incomplete thus to divorce, or widowhood due to the death of the spouse. It is important to know the pregnancy at the age of less than 17 years increases the risk of medical complication, both in the mother and in the children. Pregnancy at a very younger age was found to correlate with maternal mortality and morbidity. It says girls aged 10 to 14 years were 5 times more likely to die during pregnancy, and children bright than the 20 to 24 age group, while the risk double in the 15 to 19 group. Maternal mortality rate under the age of 16 in Cameroon, Ethiopia, and Nigeria are even higher by 6 times.
The child's anatomy is not ready for the process conceive or give birth, so you can complication occur in the form of obstructed labor as well as obstetric fistula. From UNPFA in 2003 shows 15% or 30% among births in early age is accompanied by chronic complications. Fibristic fistula. Fistula is damage to female organs that cause urine leakage or passes into the vagina. Women aged less than 20 years old are very susceptible to experiencing obstetric fistula. This obstetric fistula can also occur due to sexual intercourse at an early age. 5.10 Child marriage is related teenage mothers in under 17 years is premature. Pelvic anatomy, which are still in growth, are at risk for the occurrence of prolonged labor. Their therapy in increasing infant mortality and neonatal mortality rates 16.17. Depression during pregnancy is risky on the incidence of miscarriage, low birth weight, and others. Depression is also associated with blood pressure increases therapy, increasing the risk of eclampsia. 16. Good antenatal care is actually possible reduce the occurrence of pregnancy complication and labor, but unfortunately, due to limitation, financial, limited mobility and opinion, so these young wives often don't get the help service they need. The unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia guarantees welfare of every citizen, including protection of children's rights is a human rights. 16. The Convention on the Right of the Child has become part from the national legal system. So, as a consequence, we are obligated to acknowledge and fulfill its children's rights as formulated in the CRC, wrong on principle in the KHA, the instance of best for children, the meaning of the principle of interest. What is best for the child is in all actions and an early age, and help parents to be able to provide reproductive health education to children according to their age stage. Pediatrician also plays a role in helping teenagers to get reproductive health information and service, as well contraceptive, assessing parental capabilities, teenagers in caring for children to prevent neglect or abuse occur children, and participate in society to prevent marriage at an early age. Thank you.